Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking turkey necks in the Instant Pot. Ingredients I will be using would be 2 packs of turkey necks, seasoning salt, chicken broth, low sodium, celery salt, Mrs. Dash Italian blend, thyme, and poultry seasoning. Pour the whole can of chicken broth in the Instant Pot, then put in the turkey necks. If fixing your turkey necks in the oven, cook them on 375 for about 2 hours. Additional cook time may be needed if they're not as tender as you like. Okay, now we want to add our seasoning. Then I'm going to place my lid on. Now I'm going to set the time for 55 minutes. After the 55 minutes is up, I release the pressure. When the pan drops, remove the lid, and this is what the turkey necks look like.